everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics. We're now going for a cruise in our 1968 Chevy Camaro. One of the best things about this Camaro is a frame-off restoration, but as they did the restoration, they have pictures of this thing being well rebuilt. Besides the fact, when we looked at the engine code, we saw that was an ME car, which means that this may be the original 327. As they restored this car, they did do their own custom door panels. However, they decided to add a few nice touches, including the built-in tack with clock where the gas gauge originally was, added the 4 RS package gauges down here on the console, kept the original Delco radio, but added vintage air. In fact, this was an AC car, original 134A system car, but they decided to add vintage air because, well, you know, you can trust vintage air a lot more better. But anyway, besides that, the engine's really kept clean. It's got 17-inch American Racing torque rims. It's got that nice, very nice hockey stripe going down the side. Not just the plain striped hood or the one that goes right across the front of the hood, but it's got that really cool hockey stripe that you don't even see on a Camaro anymore. Other than that, she's got a 12-bolt rear end. Really solid car, straight piped out the back through the manifolds. Has really tight brakes, really nice steering, and yeah, this one's definitely an award-winning Camaro here we got at Skyway Classics. But anyway, we're gonna get her turned around, put her on the lift, let you take a look at the underneath. We'll see you there.